Alright, y'all. Here we got the aloe vera. We just got this yesterday as well. Better getting it ready. We're going to transplant this into a 2-gallon. 2-gallon pot. Sorry, I'm trying to get the camera right. About to put this in like a 2-gallon pot. We use this. We got another plant elsewhere. It's not here, but we got a bigger plant. I could probably get footage of it another time. But we break it off, use it for drinks, use it for hair, scalp, skin. Alright, we're gonna get this ready for transplant. They got the dirt ready in a 2-gallon, 3-gallon pot. Got the hole. You see that'll easily fit in there. This little pot. Easily fit in there. You gonna do it now? Alright, we're gonna get ready to transplant this bad baby in here. We're just gonna show you. It's gonna be an easy process, less than a minute. She already loosened the dirt in the side.
What, there's party going on without me?
And then you put it in there and just go ahead and put the dirt around there. You can break it up if you want to, if you wanted to kickstart latching on to the rest of this dirt, but you don't have to. Eventually you'll find that new dirt and start growing into it. And it's gonna grow into a nice old big bush, double in size within the next few weeks. See, she getting it right. And it's already kind of getting overcast. Y'all see the weather. Clouds are out. Rain should be coming soon. Gonna get some nice soul rainwater. All these finna get fed, get hydrated. There go the aloe vera. Now we can go ahead and put this in autopilot, cruise control. All we gotta do is water this, put some food in there every now and then when it starts changing colors, but you see it got the nice green. So I think this dirt already has some food in there, so we ain't gotta top it off with food. Just let the food do what it do in there. Now remember, since we outside, the rain will wash away a lot of the food, so you'll have to add food in these pots more often than not than inside plants. Because the inside plants, you can control how much water you're using. We're gonna start all these plants with 1-month regimens for right now. Feed it once a month, and we'll see how it goes. Some of these big ones we may have to do twice a month because they eating real good and drinking real good. So we'll see. But this is the aloe vera, finishing this transplant. You see it's in the 1-gallon pot. It went from that to that. So it went from 1 bedroom to a mansion. Got plenty of dirt in there. And we'll see what's coming up next.